Hey everybody, I wanted to take a minute and talk to you about some things that have changed my perspective about this channel. As you guys know, there was some tragedy in my family a few months ago, and it really made me think about why I'm doing a Young Man's Workshop. And I was in a pretty intense discussion just recently about whether YouTube is a business for me or whether YouTube, I guess, is a hobbyist platform expression entity. And I guess I don't know. I guess the real answer is that I'm not sure whether this should be a business of putting a video for people to look at and I somehow get money from it, or whether it's a place just to have a portfolio. But the one thing that I do know is that I want a platform. I want somewhere where I can share something that affects people's lives. Just recently, I read the book from Bob Clagett called Making Time. This is a very important book. This is a very important book because he decided to share with the world all the things that have happened to him that have gotten him to this point of having his business and his passion be the same thing. That seems attractive to me, but at the moment, it's not sustainable. Now, we have no financial issue at the moment of covering a Young Man's Workshop and the sandpaper and the glue and all of the ins and outs. But things like Maker Central, things like the Atlanta Woodworking Show, they do take a cost, and that cost doesn't go somewhere else. And I want to make this sustainable because I want to thrive. And so the place that I decided to start is with a mission statement of what I actually want my channel to be. And I have a hard time talking in front of the camera, so I'm actually going to put the mission statement up on the screen for you. But in essence, what I want to do is I want to have an effect on people's lives. I would like at least one person to see a video of mine and take something valuable away from it that they can put into their own life to make it a little bit better. Whether it's the way that I described something, or something that I did makes them look at the world a little bit differently, or maybe they feel like they can do something that they never thought they could do before. Whatever it is, I really hope that I can have a positive impact in the world around me. And the way at the moment that I see that I can do that is through YouTube and Instagram and Facebook with making these projects. So I've decided to start a Patreon page. Now, the Patreon is not to replace my career or my wife's career. The Patreon is to help the sustainability of the workshop, to pay for that sandpaper that just gets used up too soon, and the glue, the domain names, software licenses, the stickers and marketing things, that we all use and that we all enjoy and that we'll all have a fun time with. So I'm going to start. This is a scary thing for me. Building a Patreon page does kind of say something about where you're trying to be and where you're trying to go. But that's okay. I'm going to try something new. I'm going to try something different. And I'm going to try to reach more people. And I hope that there's something about what I'm saying that helps you. As for how Patreon goes, I don't know the ins and outs of Patreon very well. This is all very, very new for me. I just set it up the morning that I'm releasing this video. There's a very basic tier. It's $1. If you support me in Patreon, thank you very much. I'll send you a sticker. There's going to be another tier in there. I don't know what the dollar amount is for another thing I'm doing called The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly, where it's kind of like the cost-benefit analysis and the ripple effects of my decisions in the shop on the materials and the design. We'll start there. We'll see how you guys like it and how you enjoy it. But nothing about my channel will change. There's still going to be a project video. There will still continue to be discussion videos as I film them. I still think that free content should be available to inspire people and help them. I don't know where the balance is yet, but I'm going to try this and we're going to find it. Thank you very much for watching this. For those of you who don't really have access to do Patreon or anything like that, your likes, your comments, your subscription, the sharing that you guys have all done for me over the years, I so appreciate it. All 1,966 subscribers that I have right now, thank you so much. You guys have helped me get into a world that I never knew existed. So I want to thank you first and foremost for that, and for anything else that you may want to support me on. that's all I have for now, guys. I hope this helps you. I hope this helps you understand a little bit more about me and getting to know me. And I hope you have a great day.